We used Excel sheets, Word docs, email.
There was a lot of emails. Ooh, too many. A lot of phone calls, a lot of visits.
Timesheets, putting things down on pieces of paper, writing it down, then translating it to Excel, then compiling it, putting it in charts, emailing that to a customer.
We would do big cross-functional projects, take people out of their office for 3 or 4 days, dig apart a process, figure out what improvements to make, put that in an Excel document, then have follow-up meetings to manage those action items.
Having it all put in KaiNexus initially, you cut down on 2 or 3 pieces of excess waste, right? Then you also give the customer customized reporting to however they want it to look, and it's real-time instant update.
This gave us that platform to be able to see and then manage by due date.
Now people will be able to see, I have a task upcoming, I need to complete this, and if they know that they have other things coming up, they can change the due date themselves. They don't need to go in, ask for permission. They can add the comments also for what they had done in KaiNexus, so the visibility is much better.